kabila, Makati. Mga building na matahas. Sa kabila, mga bye-bye.
Tapos na.
Paranaque.
May malalaki na
Labisya. Guys.
Nasaan yung Paranaque na?
Guys, malapit na, lalapag na. Malapit na guys, lalapag na guys. Ayan na guys. Oh. Wow, touchdown.
You have just landed. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The time now for convenience is 29 minutes past the hour of 12 in the afternoon, and the date today is June 5, 2025 on a Thursday.
Manila na guys.
Mabuhay! Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay! Kalalapag po lamang natin. Mangyaring manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong seatbelts hanggang ang seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. Para sa maayos na pagbaba mula eroplano, manatili lamang sa inyong mga upuan at
Hello together with First Officer Africa and the rest of the crew. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
Heart of the Filipino.
Ano yung Coca-Cola na yun? Biyaya na. Yan yung biyaya na.
Please remain seated and await for your row numbers to be called for deplaning. Manatiling nakaupo at hintayin po nating matawag ang ating row number para sa ating maayos na pagbaba. Once again, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. May you have a pleasant and safe stay here.